Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to cast screen from your Android phone to ZTE Android TV Box. To do it, you need to be on the same network on both your ZTE Android TV Box as well as on your Android phone. Now, on most phones, you'll find casting by scrolling down from the top of your screen, then sliding down again. You'll find cast somewhere here. If you don't have it, there's a high chance there will be an edit button right here, this pencil icon, which will let you edit this menu to add the cast button. If you still don't have it, you also may find it in settings, most probably connected devices, connection preferences, cast, and now you'll find it here. Now you can select whether you want to cast one app or entire screen. I'll select entire screen, then click on cast entire screen. You can see that now it is being casted on my device. I can open any app that I'd like, and I can even rotate the screen if I have rotation on, so it'll be better to actually view on the TV. And that will be about it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.